I began to study and realize the parallels between the Jewish people and the Native American people. The same story, and it's helped me to understand that I'm fighting for more than just one voice, but really two nations.
I began to think about their plight, the Jewish people, and I began to think about the plight of the native and the plight of my people. And there's a lot of similarities when you think about that with what natives have gone through with forced assimilation, boarding schools, poverty, being put on reservations. You know, they've been displaced from their own land. I mean, there's a lot of parallels that you see with natives and the Jewish community.
When I defend Israel, whether it be on social media or in a public forum of any kind or a platform, I get the same typical responses from people who aren't pleased with it. Almost 100% of the time, these are people who have never been to Israel, who have never laid eyes on the things that they're talking about. And so because I've been there, because I have laid eyes on it, I've had conversations with Palestinian refugees. I have seen what it looks like when a terrorist organization uses their people as human shields. And I've seen Israel, I've seen the Jewish people go out of their way to protect and to take care of people that the media has called their enemies. The Israeli people do not see the Palestinians as enemies. They don't. And so people don't understand that, and they don't see that. And all they see are these terrorist organizations feeding the media a narrative to make them look like the good guys. And so sometimes I get myself in fights I probably shouldn't be in because I'm so passionate about it. But I love the fact that I've been given the tools to be able to fight back in an intelligent way, but also from a personal perspective. You know, I've been there, I've seen it. Most people haven't.
There were a lot of native tribes that served as code talkers, literally turning the tide of World War II and even in a sense in World War I. But the Comanche code talkers were a part of storming the beach at Normandy.
My great uncle was a code talker. And when I look at these swastikas, I think about the fight against anti-Semitism. And a couple of things come to my heart. One, how proud I am of my great uncle and what he did and his part in stopping this vicious attack against the world and against the Jewish community. And I think about the battle that I've been called to fight the very same thing. And I think the difference is that when my great uncle was put in this spot, in this position, it was after the fact. It was after the damage had been done. And God has given me an opportunity to stand in a similar gap, hopefully before it's too late. It just seems like the world is always trying to bring people to conflict. What I love about what I get to be a part of is building bridges of peace between nations, between people, and I just can't imagine what it would do for the world when God brings peace between two peoples that the world has pitted against each other. I'm longing for that day, and I hope to be a part of that.